Again, I'm out here fishing with barra. I just got here and I forgot to film. So, welcome back to a no slack video. Right now, I'm walking in water, and yeah, it's about to be up to my bloody knees because I'm walking straight. Because I want to go that way. So, stay tuned and welcome back to a no slack video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yep.
Are you filming?
Huh?
Are you filming?
No? Not yet. Met a few new friends. Gonna be my fishing YouTube video. So this is Clint and Alex. And yeah, he's just trying to get the trolley through right now. Bloody hell, the freaking trolley, you got it? You good? Anyway, we're going fishing for barra. You probably guys know this spot anyway, but yeah, and he just slipped. Gonna lose his croc pretty soon, I think. And I might chuck the drone up soon to get some drone footage and stuff like that. And yeah. You got it, bro. Anyway guys, stay tuned. So I was just reviewing the footage and I see the barramundi in that circle.
Oh, you just made me drop
Sorry.
his phone.
Sorry.
Dry it with the towel, quick.
Sorry about that. Sorry, bro.
That doesn't fucking break.
Sorry. Yeah, have that and go, bro.
That was fucking sick.
Yeah. He dead. No, he's not.
He's big.
Yep.
Really feel good. Film.
I'm filming on my GoPro as well.
Here, don't bump me. Okay, wait. Don't go over there. What a big bastard. Oi, hold him, just in case. Oh! He's a monster. Wait, can I film here?
Hey, are you okay if this goes on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh! We have an update. We're trying to catch bait, live bait for barra, but hasn't been going so good so far. But yeah, anyway, we got live bait. Yeah. We got live bait, and I'm using a bottle for a float, and yeah. Huh? And yeah. I know you guys can't see us, but all of us are waiting to get a barramundi. So yeah. Like literally we were just saying, imagine just getting all 3 hookups, eh? Literally it'd be so cool, like bang, 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 you know? So yeah, anyway guys, stay tuned. I need to invest in a light. I need to invest into a light with this GoPro. We are going home now, so anyway people, I don't know. Toad? Where toad?
You just stepped on it.
Did I just step on a freaking live toad?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, lovely spot, but haven't caught any barra, so we're going home now. Call that a wrap. He is struggling to get the wagon out now. Literally. You got it out though. Good job. There's water right there, dude. Good job, you got it out. There we go. There's a wagon. Oh, anyway, stay tuned. Pulling up the wagon, trying to flip it, but yeah, it's not going to. It's not going too well so far. Come on, up again. Up again. Up again. Keep going. You're nearly there. Oh, God. This is a cuckoo idea. Come on. I just swallowed a bug. Yeah, bike's like on over here. You know where it is? Yeah. Okay. We got it. Where's your bike? Right there. Anyway guys, we got it up. Anyway, it has a freaking light in front of his bike, that's cool. Wait for me guys, remember? I got the wagon. Anyway guys, stay tuned.